Circumference of the Earth was just a stick. Damianos Hambagis and Leonidas Graves, Year 1 English School.
Project overview. Using a simple technique, trigonometry, and sharing our experimental data with other schools in the world, we managed to calculate a value for the circumference of the Earth.
Our research. Eratosthenes was a Greek scientist. He was born in 276 BC and worked in the famous Library of Alexandria. He noticed that shadows differed in different places on the Earth.
He made measurements of shadows in 2 Egyptian towns and the same day at the same time. They know the distance between the towns accurately because it was a trade route. We use this method to make our own measurements. We contacted schools around the world who were a similar longitude with us. A school in Mozambique answered. We asked them to place a stick at right angles to the ground. We all measured the length of the stick and the length of the shadow at local noon on the 22nd of March.
What is local solar noon? Solar noon is the moment when the sun passes a location's meridian and reaches the highest position in the sky. In most cases, it doesn't happen at 12 o'clock. On the 22nd of March 2021, solar noon for Nicosia was 11:53 and 11:56 for MAPUTO. Bonus if you can spot the cat. God, the cat was fast.
The method in detail. The experiment was conducted on equinox, which is a special day when there are 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of night.
The method in detail. The stick that we put in the ground casts a shadow at noon due to the rays of light from the sun striking it at an angle. This is how it went. Yes.
We measured the length of the stick and the length of the shadow at local noon using a tape measure.
Fun fact, if we live in the equator, there would be no shadow at noon. And this is a picture to prove that.
These are our readings in Nicosia.
These are the measurements from MAPUTO. Sorry for the second one being hidden.
We used trigonometry to find out the angle. Leonidas found 34.1 and I found 33.
We use the same method to find out the angle in Mozambique. These are the calculations, and the average is 26.5 degrees.
We measured the distance between Maputo and Nicosia using Google Maps. It was 6,795 kilometers. And added the angles we found at Nicosia to that in Maputo, and we found 60.1 degrees.
Our calculations. We worked out the ratio 360, the number of degrees in a circle, to the angular separation of two cities, 60.1. Then we multiplied by the distance between the cities in Maputo and Nicosia.
The circumference of the Earth, we found that it was 40,700 kilometers.
Fun fact, the circumference of the Earth according to data from satellites is 40,075 kilometers. Fun fact 2, what we found is less accurate than Eratosthenes 2,000 years ago.
Our result is only 1.56% off. Thank you for watching.